Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 25. How to format keywords. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to format keywords, step by step. So let's get started. On our Microsoft Ads dashboard, we get a list of all campaigns on left. From here, select all campaigns and then select campaigns. From here select one campaign and then go to keywords. Here we get match type as well. Now click on Add Keywords button. Here you need to select an ad group and enter your keywords. It says the keyword match type will be broad match unless you use quotes to indicate phrase match or brackets to indicate exact match. When you click on this small question button of match type, you'll get what are keywords match types and how do I use them link. Click on it. Here you get more information about it with examples of broad match keywords, phrase match keywords, the syntax of keyword with brackets. Read all this information carefully. Then enter your keywords in square brackets, in double quotes. Take reference from this help box for your keywords. So this is how you can format keywords. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 26. How to add negative keywords. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add negative keywords, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.